What if we could provide real-time information to all those who need it as an incident unfolds?
On board, we have a 45-year-old male.
What if we could deliver the right patient care even before arriving on scene?
Receiving feed now, Lincoln Hospital.
And what if, no matter the miles in between, doctors and nurses could go the distance for their patients? What if every piece of equipment could communicate and provide all the information to ensure a crew's safety? What if we could predict an emergency before it ever happened, or even prevent it? Tomorrow's innovations start with the what ifs we ask today. What if, together, we create the future of community health and safety through the power of data?